Hey guys, welcome back to BlueStar's Unboxed Studios. I'm Sam, and I know it's been a little bit since we've shot an unboxed video, but today we'll be unboxing the ET60 Rugged Enterprise tablet from Zebra Technologies. I've got my box cutter, so I'm gonna jump right in. All right out of the box, I have another box. A power adapter cord. And probably my power. Yeah, so that was our tablet. I've got a regulatory guide. And our tablet. Let me clean this up and we'll keep going. The ET60 and ET65 are versatile, rugged Android tablets for business operations. You'd commonly find this line of tablets excelling in some of the most punishing environments. These tablets can survive polarizing climate effects, dust, dirt, and grime throughout manufacturing plants, the constant vibrations of forklifts and other vehicles, and whatever the workplace entails. Its super bright 1000 nit display can be easily viewed in any lighting, including dimly lit offices and bright sunlit days. The ET60 has a multi-mode capacitive touch for bare or gloved fingertip input, Corning Gorilla Glass, water droplet rejection, and a fingerprint-resistant anti-smudge coating, maximizing the user experience. Its new patent-pending vehicle dock is utilized for mounting the tablet for on-the-go operations. Additionally, an optional keyboard can be adhered to make data entry easier for forklift operators. For those needing to occasionally scan barcodes, its integrated software and 16-megapixel rear-facing camera allows users to capture scans and readings right out of the box. Batteries are removable, so the tablet is never out of service for charging, and its super capacitor delivers constant power during battery swaps. Overall, it's fairly lightweight at just over 2 pounds and possesses dimensions that make it a go-to handheld device given its desired workflow. As always, I wanted to thank the team at Zebra for sending over this tablet so that I could unbox it for you and really showcase its features and benefits. Now, if you're interested in pricing or availability, be sure to reach out to a BlueStar rep today. Thanks, guys.